Hello guys, if you had $120, what would you do? Maybe you guys will build a PC. If so, then I'll give you the best PC specs you can get for $120. We start from the motherboard. For the motherboard we use a motherboard from the Asus brand with the H61 series, which of course uses the LGA1155 socket. This motherboard supports the second to third generation Intel processors. Unfortunately, this motherboard doesn't have a 3.0 USB port, and also only has 2 RAM slots, but that's enough to build a PC this time. Then for the processor, I use the third generation Intel Core i5, namely the Core i5-3470. The processor with 4 cores and 4 threads is still quite capable even though the technology is very outdated, but with a frequency of 3.2 GHz up to 3.6 GHz, this processor is still capable of running some old games now. Now for the RAM, I use RAM with a capacity of 8 GB, again two 4 GB chips, so that it can run in a dual-channel configuration. This time the RAM only has a speed of 1333 MHz. Next, for the graphics card, I use a GPU from NVIDIA with a GTX 750 Ti chipset. This graphics card is very reliable in running today's games. This graphics card has a total of 2 GB of VRAM. The bus width is 128 bits, and already GDDR5 type memory. The bandwidth is also quite fast, in the range of 70 GB per second. Apart from that, this graphics card also has a fairly low TDP, only around 60 watts, so I don't need to hesitate to use it on building a PC this time. For storage, I use a SATA SSD from a colorful brand with a capacity of 128 GB, and I combine it with 2 hard drives with a capacity of 500 GB, a total of 1 TB as data storage. Next, for the power supply, I use a power supply that is quite good in its class, namely a power supply from the Deepcool brand with a total power of 500 watts, and has been certified 80+, so there is no need to worry anymore, because this power supply is already able to support the load even a Super GTX 1660 class graphics card, or even an RTX 2060. The design of this power supply is also quite good, because it has a flat cable so we can build this PC more easily and neatly, no need to have any more difficulties in managing the cable. Lastly, for the casing, I used a casing from the Venom RX brand, a casing with an attractive design, with an LED strip in front of it. The build quality is quite good, the cable management space is also quite spacious, but again, the airflow quality is not good, because there is only a narrow space on the front of this casing as a place for air to enter. But it can still be helped by installing fans above, below and behind it, to keep the component temperature stable. Therefore I added 3 RGB fans, to be installed on the top and back of the casing. Apart from maintaining the temperature, this also aims to beautify the appearance of the PC. Okay guys, that's all the components that we use in building this PC. We will just do a performance test on this PC. How about the performance? Watch this video until it's finished.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my